the star of the show, the great Bumpo.
What's the guy with the fishing pole?
It's not a fishing pole, Murpho. It's a whip. He's the trainer.
Come on, gang. Let's catch his act.
And now, presenting the feature attraction of the show, Rottley and his amazing baby elephant, the great Bumpo.
All right, Bumpo, start earning your supper.
Oh, look! He's gonna do a bugling, a juggling act. And on a high wire, too!
Faster, this time with feline. I said faster, you clumsy beast.
He's a bad man.
I'd hate to be working for that creep.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the amazing Bumpo will dive 100 feet into this tiny, half-filled tub. That's it for you, Bumpo. No supper tonight.
Why is he so down on that poor little guy?
And now, under my superb direction, the great Bumpo will be shot out of this cannon and fly all the way across the midway, crashing through that brick wall on the far side of the tent. Okay, Bumpo, into the cannon and try to get it right this time. I said get into the cannon! Find me, Bumpo. After all I've done for you, come back here. Come it, Bumpo!
And now the latest news. Bumpo the world-famous performing elephant has just escaped from the circus. A mammoth hunt is now taking place. When last seen, Bumpo was headed for the railroad yards. Film at 11.
Who needs elephants? Turn on the bike races.
Bumpo, where are you, you sniveling ingrate?
Boy, what a rotten guy that Rottley is. I can't take this anymore. We gotta find Bumpo before he does, gang.
And then what? What do we do with a half-ton elephant?
We'll jump off that bridge when we come to it. Now, let's spread out and start looking. Panky and I'll go this way. Panky? Now where'd he go? Panky!
Peggy, where are you? Peggy! Hey, come here. Peanut?
Well, look what we've got here. A couple of my favorite runaways. Hey, relax, big fella. You're in the protective custody of the Rainbow Panthers. Right, gang?
You bet. Sure.
Okay, the coast is clear. There.
Uh-oh, here comes trouble.
Let's get moving, Bumpo. You've got enough problems without those guys.
Hey, what's that big thing the Panthers got there? Come on!
Forget it, it's a blind alley.
We're doomed.
Doomed is not a word in the Panther vocabulary. Just leave it to Pinky. Right, Pinky?
Okay, we know you got something in here. Where are you hiding it?
You are obviously laboring under a serious misapprehension, or even worse, a hallucinatory delusion.
She means your elevator ain't reaching the top floor.
Oh, yeah? Well, just remember, nothing fools the Howl's angels.
Yeah, except the obvious.
Dying to know what them guys are trying to hide. Hey, you kids, want to make a few bucks?
baby elephant running loose around here, I'm paying a big cash reward for. His name's Bumpo. Here's my card. Call me.
An elephant? Come on, angels!
Oh, great. Hey, wait! Come on, gang. Let's split.
Hey, Mr. Panther, you seen an elephant around here?
Come on, Leona. Don't waste time on him. We found him. Let's get him. Come on, let's hit the escalator.
Bumpo, quick. Do this.
Okay, Pinky. Where is he? Where's the elephant?
Have you checked the luggage department?
Don't try to con me. I know you got an elephant, and I'm gonna sit right here until you come up with him. After him! That's our reward money running away!
Hey, here he is.
After him! Okay, smart guy. I've had all I'm gonna take from you, Panthers.
Not now, Howl. I'm reading a classic here.
Where is he? I ain't gonna ask you again.
Is that a promise?
Look, kid, I told you before, don't mess with me or I'll... You suckers, you're trapped now. Here, call that Rottley guy and tell him he got his elephant trapped in a tunnel.
So, that rowdy little ingrate is trapped in the tunnel, eh?
Not so fast. What about giving me my reward?
Pinky, don't tell me we're gonna try to hide Bumpo in the city hall.
No, but you're close. You guys wait here.
Hold that elephant! Bumpo, you come back or you'll never work in this town again! What's going on here?
Listen, Your Honor, we need your help. Plenty of votes. We got the pet lobby. We got the business.
My fellow citizens, this is Bumpo, the world-famous performing elephant. And thanks to Pinky and the Rainbow Panthers, Bumpo will now be the star of our own city zoo. And as for Bumpo's former owner, he's being charged with mistreatment of animals.
Would you guys consider a little bribe?
Don't you just love happy endings, Panky?
Yeah.
Panky? Where are you? You know, Panky, you're in more trouble sometimes than a whole herd of elephants. But it wouldn't be the same without you. Come on.